Yeah, baby.
Hey, Jim. I got it all covered up, so you know what that means. Yep, I'm going to paint the trunk. Told you I was going to do it tomorrow. Well, tomorrow is today. So I've got it all sanded. I might still get a couple more little spots. I'm getting out as much of the flaws and the orange peel and all of that stuff that I had before. And I'm just going to paint this panel and this panel. Everything else is covered up. And I'm going to just concentrate on trying to make the paint flow a little better and be a little glossier at the end, so I don't have to do crazy amounts of color sanding and buffing where I end up buffing through, because that sucks. So I've been playing around with my spray gun, the lovely Harbor Freight Black Widow. I've been making sure it's all clean inside. It doesn't look all that clean on the outside because it isn't, but it is clean on the inside. So I'm going to, I've been practicing a little bit on this box with just a little bit of acetone to adjust the fan and the delivery and all of that. And somebody recommended that I actually turn down my pressure. So I have run the pressure down now. I had it up to like 35 or 38, and now I've got it turned back down to, at the handle here, it's at about 24 pounds. So that's a little below what the maximum pressure rating is for this gun. It says 28 pounds on it right there. So I'm a little under that now at the recommendation of a concerned YouTuber. Thanks for the advice. And it looks like it's going to work. I'm about to mix up some paint and we'll find out. Maybe I should ask Daryl. Hey, Daryl, is this paint job going to work out better than last time? Let's see what he says. It's hard to see, but it says most likely. Okay, well, that's not as good as definitely, but it's better than I don't think so. Thanks for that, Daryl. Okay, I sprayed it. Looks pretty good. Check it out. That's more like it. Still got some orange peel, but nothing like before. Nice. That should be much easier to buff out. I shouldn't have to start with anything rougher than like 1200 grit to buff that out real good, it looks like. So I think this may work. I'm gonna have to paint the whole car again, panel by panel, but that's okay. I'm learning. Hey, lower pressure on that gun worked pretty good too. So my natural instinct was to turn the pressure up. That wasn't helping me. So 24 pounds or so, at least that's what my gauge indicates, seemed to work really good. So whoever gave me that tip, thank you, appreciate it. Thanks for watching.